Hello friends, this is a Hyundai XM 2016. This is our factory head unit, and as I just shown you previously, the reverse camera, that's an aftermarket reverse camera, and we just have installed with this. So this is an aftermarket camera. It's really easy to install. If you are going to remove this head unit, all the uh, wiring connectors diagram is on the top of the head unit, so it will be really easy. There is just three wires: a camera ground and a camera positive, which is I think pin number 14 and 15. Sometimes there is a wire and you can hook it up to those wires easily. Sometimes there is no wires at all. Then you have to figure out how you're going to use those pins and how you're going to connect the wires in there. And the reverse trigger is probably I think pin number 9, green wire, but you have to check on exactly on top of head unit there. And it's fairly simple, and the end result you'll get a camera like this if you don't have a reverse camera in your Hyundai Accent with this kind of head unit here. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and it will help me to bring up more videos like this for you guys. Thank you.